You wouldn't hardly know if fronts come in if you weren't outside and saw the wind. Temperatures have still been mild. 83 degrees was the high temperature today. That's what we forecast for this afternoon, and hit it right on the head. We like it when that happens. 66 low this morning is actually our normal high. 82 degrees at ABIA. This front will move on down to the coast, and the effects of it will gradually work on in here by morning. You will notice the difference then for sure. 70 degrees out in Mason and Fredericksburg. Burnett coming into 70 right now in the metro area. Still 80 out in Lakeway. Still 78 in Maynard and Pflugerville. And off to the east, still 80 degrees in Bastrop and in Smithville, even though the front's moved on down to the area. Don't look at that. It'll make you dizzy. All right, let's look at the downtown camera instead. There we go. That is a view of the city. Looks awful nice, doesn't it? Let's look at the wind right now in Oak Hill. It was really blowing that flag around a little bit ago. It's kind of come down just a little bit right now. And the winds will continue to diminish tonight, but they've been gusting up to about 25 miles per hour today. 77 degrees is the current temperature. We'll drop about 10 degrees by 8 o'clock tonight, and another 10 degrees maybe by 10 o'clock tonight as the colder air finally begins to arrive from the northwest. Look at the humidity, 16%. That's why that fire danger is so high today. And the red flag warning, by the way, as we mentioned earlier, does continue until 8 o'clock tonight for the possibility of dangerous wildfire conditions. Not the possibility, they exist right now with these winds. Partly cloudy, 77. Winds north-northwest there up to 22 miles per hour in the city right now. And gusting over 25. In the pollen count, mold, medium today. In fact, everything in the medium category, just like yesterday, but everything is also a little higher than yesterday. But that'll happen when a front comes in the spring. It'll shake all those pollens loose out there. They're feeling the front in Amarillo. It's 48 degrees there, 63 in Dallas. Very warm down in Corpus Christi at 84. The front has moved on through. It did generate a couple of rain showers over in Lee and Fayette County this afternoon. I mean, real little rain showers. Now the activity beginning to pick up in East Texas and in Louisiana. That's kind of what the computer model said would happen. It said we'd miss out on the rain. Another dry front here and severe storms, even some tornado warnings, as I mentioned earlier, across the Mississippi there over into southern Illinois, down toward the state of Mississippi, actually. Meanwhile, a blizzard is raging right now in northern Iowa and southern Minnesota. Imagine wind gusts of 50 miles per hour with up to 14 inches of snow. That's whiteout conditions that they're expecting tonight. The blizzard warning in that area continues until tomorrow morning. They just can't get rid of winter up there. But we're going to miss most of the cold air. In fact, our winds go back south tomorrow. They continue south on Saturday. So other than the chilly morning tomorrow morning with lows in the 30s and low 40s, could even see a light freeze in the lowest valleys in the morning. That'd be the first freeze out even in the hill country in a week. But then tomorrow afternoon with the south winds returning, it's beautiful. Afternoons stay nice through Sunday. Next week, it is going to get colder even in the afternoons. And a chance of some rain. There's some good news. Doesn't look like, real wet pattern, but any rain at this point will be welcome. All right, here are your lows tonight. 30s, low 40s in most locations. Again, the coldest valleys. Could get down to 32 in the hill country in the morning, but then a big warm up tomorrow, upper 60s and low 70s. Should be a very good start to the weekend. A nice Friday afternoon. Tonight in Austin, we'll drop to about 44. That'll be one of the warmer temperatures in the morning. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and a high temperature of 72. And here's the 7-day forecast. Got a couple fronts coming. Not before we probably get to 80 degrees on Sunday. Then temperatures start trending down. The stronger front coming in on Tuesday. That'll be associated with an upper level storm that could give us some light rain on period Monday all the way to Thursday, actually.